Delta 2627, does that still look okay for you?
Affirmative.
Delta 2627, the winds are 030 at 3. Turn right heading 120. Runway 9 right, clear for takeoff.
9 right. Copy the winds and vector of 120.
Marriage at 850 Heavy, just to keep you in the loop, we're trying to coordinate a heading for you. We don't know if we're going to take you southeast or if there's a way to take you left, so we're just trying to work this out right now.
From Marriott 850 Heavy, thanks.
We got 9 left departure, wind shear alert, 25 knot loss and a 1 mile departure. 2627, how's the ride? Are you getting any wind shear?
2627 negative, pretty stable, but there is lightning in all quadrants, 12 o'clock and 2 in the north.
Delta 2627, perfect. Contact departure 1.